Hey, and welcome back to my channel and my makeshift studio. When it comes to making videos, either sit down videos like this, or unboxing videos, or out in the field videos, it's not always easy to get the lighting just right. That is, unless you have your own permanent home studio, which most of us don't. I was recently contacted by Sokani to see if I was interested in trying out their new X21 LED light. Being completely honest with you all, I wasn't that impressed or convinced by the pictures that I've seen for what it could do, so I actually said no thank you. A couple of weeks later they sent me the official product video and I was completely blown away by the power of this passport size light and the price. Full disclosure though, they offered to send me one of the lights in return for my honest thoughts, but they actually sent me two because the possibilities with two are so much more, which I'll show you as the video goes on. Right now, if you buy from AliExpress, which I've linked in the description, it's not an affiliate link or anything like that, you can pick up these lights for $50, which is about £38, so it's really cheap. Up until now I've been using a mixture of natural light and my wife's ring light to light me in my videos. This has been okay and it served a purpose, but it's a very harsh light. As in my last sit down video, my beginner drone tips video, I started to use one of these Sokani X21 LED lights. For the size they are so powerful and can be used in many different ways. They come in their own little carry pouch which holds the light and various accessories which come in the box. It comes with a cold shoe mount, a USB charging cable, soft light diffuser, 3200 Kelvin diffuser, 12 colour gels and a carry case. On the light itself it has a 1/4 inch screw mount, which is how I use mine, mounted directly to a stand. Once you power it on, turn the on off button to actually get the light to turn on. The best part about this light is that it's dimmable. Now if it was me selling these lights, I would be pitching them as an awesome travel companion if you plan on making videos while you're away. Now I'm doing this video while I'm on a little break away with my wife, just to prove that you can set up a studio anywhere with either one or two of these lights. Now I currently have one set up in front of me just there, just to light the side of my face, and I've also got one set up behind me just to add a bit of colour to the walls, just there. The other great thing about these lights is you can actually get very creative when it comes to photos. Here are some photos that I took using the lights and some of the coloured gels that came in the box. I will also add in how and where I had the lights configured, so should you want to achieve similar results, you'll know how to do it. All in all, I'm really happy with these lights and they've now found a permanent place in my camera bag. They are small and discreet, but yet they are very powerful, which make them the ideal solution for a temporary at-home studio or for a makeshift studio when you're travelling. I've been using them for around 2 weeks now and I've still got so many ideas for what I could use them for. As always, thank you for watching, and to those already subscribed, I will see you next time. And to those who aren't, what's the matter with you? Hopefully see some of you in the next video. Laters.